grade, this is the information for Thursday the 14th, Friday the 15th for 7th grade life science. So on Zoom on the 14th, we will review yesterday, which was some Punnett Square practice. Thursday's topic is sexual and asexual reproduction. You've got a little independent practice then, assignment 19. Friday's work is a double bubble, and then Monday, in celebration of Martin Luther King Day, there is no school. So yesterday you had your choice of which kind of cross you wanted to examine. You wanted to look at the grade level monohybrid cross, which looked at one trait, or a dihybrid cross, which looked at two. Here we're looking at these gray and albino mice. The gray is the dominant allele, and you are crossing a female that was heterozygous with a pure albino male. Here is our Punnett square. Here are possible genotypes and phenotypes and the answers to the questions there. For the second one, you are doing a cross between a homozygous gray female, so 2 capital G's, and a heterozygous male, so also gray, but heterozygous. And the Punnett square is here. The genotypes and phenotypes are there. It got cut off a little bit. There are no albino phenotypes. Answers to the questions here. Again, this is the level that I'm expecting you to be able to do for your test coming up in a couple of weeks here. A more challenging one was looking at this ring-tailed lemur, and you are looking at 2 traits at once. It's a dihybrid cross. You are crossing a heterozygous male for both traits versus a female, which had a genotype like this. You break it up like this, the female versus the male, and all of our possibilities. And the results are there. Again, this is above grade level. So if you're wishing to get a exceeding understanding score, you'll have to be able to do these dihybrid crosses. For Thursday, we'll be looking at asexual and sexual reproduction. We'll be taking some notes. Asexual reproduction involves one parent and it produces offspring that are identical, where sexual reproduction involves 2 parents. One type of asexual reproduction is binary fission, where there's a single parent that divides, like in the amoeba that is pictured there. Budding is a small growth or on surface of parent breaks off, resulting in the formation of 2 individuals. You can have fragmentation like that planaria that's shown there, where something can get broken into parts, and each part will develop into new individuals. Spores are found in fungi that allows to distribute and colonize new environments. And then vegetative occurs in plants, where plants can grow from fragments or cuts of the parent plant. Benefits to asexual reproduction: populations can increase rapidly, one parent is needed, more time and energy efficient, and it's faster. A disadvantage is there's not going to be very much genetic diversity. Organisms cannot change and adapt to their environment, and a change in the environment could be really catastrophic and eliminate a species. Again, 2 parents involved in sexual reproduction. It's the combining of information from 2 individuals of different sexes or genders. Benefits: genetic variation can adapt, which increases survival, and a disease isn't likely to take out all of a species. Disadvantages: time and energy are needed to find a mate, and it's not possible for an isolated individual to reproduce. Homework for Thursday is to practice by completing assignment 19. On Friday, you're going to do a double bubble comparison contrasts. So how are asexual and sexual reproduction similar? Those go on the bubbles that they share. And then how are they different? Those go on the ones on the outside there. And that will go right there. So our to-do list again, assignment number 19 is to be completed today. Friday's work is the double bubble. There is no school on Monday, and I will see you all back on Zoom on Tuesday. Have a wonderful day. Please email with any questions or concerns.